The conflict of interest for a lawyer who's representing a defendant in a car case is outrageous. And I'm curious to know whether or not you think they can do it. So, you buy your insurance, and if you cause a collision, you contact your insurance company, and the insurance company says, no problem, we'll hire you a lawyer. Well, you think that lawyer that's being hired is your lawyer who's looking after your best interest, right? Wrong. The person, that attorney is 9 times out of 10 in the captured counsel department, which means their employer is the same insurance company. So that lawyer is now torn between their employer and their, quote, client, the one who did wrong. Who do you think that attorney's allegiance or alliance to? Their client or their employer? Curious to hear what your thoughts are on that.